right, Geo. Now we need having a blueprint.
All right, now we need a blueprint. Here's a blueprint of a motorcycle.
Oh yeah, Geo. Let's see how a motorcycle has laser-powered teleportation device had to change the motorcycle out of toys while we make them.
And here's how we're gonna make it out of toys.
Yes. It was our laser-powered teleportation device.
Look! This baseball mitt fits right there to make the motorcycle seat. Where does this hockey stick go? Over there. Over there, yeah! Where do these two frisbees go? Those! Yeah! They make the motorcycle wheels! We're almost finished!
Yeah. Do you have all finished yet, Geo?
We're almost finished!
That's good thinking, Geo. We need have 2 things to go. Now we have the shovel and the pail. So which of these 2 things has shovel and pail go?
Where do the shovel and pail go? Right there. Right there. They can make the dashboard and handlebars. Now, to turn these toy shapes into a super motorcycle, sing Super Shapes with me.
Super Shapes!
Revving robotics!
Wow!
It worked!
Unbelievable! You made a motorcycle out of toy shapes.
Driveway's clear. You guys ready? It's gonna be fun.
Yeah, that was fun. Me too.
Now let's catch up with that
Christmas tree, Ed.
Street Bandit.
All right,
The Christmas trees are ready. You drive a motorcycle. Are you ready? And
here it goes.
Seatbelts on!